Hi friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to restore missing two palettes on your AutoCAD Civil 3D Landes Companion interface. Now times if you open your AutoCAD Civil 3D 2009 Desktop Companion, you will discover that some of the tools here are missing. There are no dimensions, no draw toolbars, no modification toolbar. And this could be very frustrating at times because you need all these tools to produce a good drawing very quickly. If you're in this kind of situation, you just need to just follow this video. Just go to the blank space on the top of your screen, right click, this pops out. You see AutoCAD, so this flyer is out. So I'll go straight to draw toolbar. You can see it's restored, but it's a floating draw toolbar, so I'm going to dock it. So pull it to this end, then it docks, it stays. So this is now a dock toolbar. Still going to go back because it's not complete. I'm going to right click. I'm going to bring my dimension. I'm going to bring my modification toolbar as modifying. It's still floating. I'm going to pull it this way, dock it. I like putting this the draw toolbar on the right and also the modification toolbar on the right, but sometimes it could be interesting. Some persons might just pull both together, dock them on one particular part like this, so that when they draw they only move to this side, but I just like it to be this way, so that I know if I'm going this way I'm going for my modification, if I'm going this way I'm going for my draw. So we still go back, click on the empty blank space, click on dimension, it's floating. I'm going to dock it here, and it's docked here. Now we still have a space left. If you still want more, you can go click anyone you want to bring back very fast. So this is a very quick way to restore any missing AutoCAD Civil 3D Landes Companion Tools palette. That's it, folks. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos coming up. See you in our next video.